Siti Khadija and I'm 11 years old. And I attended this public speaking camp because I have trouble of talking in public, and I am supposed to attend a competition this Wednesday, and I just need all the help I can. The most thing I like about this camp is I have a lot of fun with all my teachers, my friends. We play a lot of games like Simon Says, charades, hangman, and many more. The changes I have seen is I got over my stage fright, and I learned how to have eye contact with other people. And I learned how to smile and intonations and other things.
Hello, my name is Sherilyn. I am 9 years old this year, and I really enjoy coming to this public speaking camp. And so my favorite thing that we came here was meeting new friends. Mostly we learn about eye contact, voice projection, expression, and how to speak with different tones. And we also learn about we must speak sometimes fast and slow at different times. And also we can't always forget to smile and think of power pose, positive thinking, and you must practice. And remember to breathe and relax. You must smile, you must be happy, and you must also just believe, and you can do anything you want. And in that power, you must feel like this time you can do this, and you will be perfectly fine.
My name is Lance. I'm 8 years old. What I learned from is to improve eye contact and believe in yourself and always practice.
My name is Gabriel. I'm 9 years old. Today I learned about power pose, eye contact, practice, breathing, and positive thinking. For example, power pose. Before a performance, you have to do a power pose, and then you'll feel better. My most favorite part in this public speaking is making new friends like Siti. The changes is that I'm more confident.